Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six server connection error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, first click here and then type cmd, right click, run as administrator, yes. Now type here ifconfig /flash DNS, click enter and then type niche unsock reset and click enter. After that, go to control panel and click on it, network and internet, network and sharing center, and then connections. It must be internet or Wi-Fi. Click on it, properties, protocol, internet version 4, properties, use the following DNS server, and copy my settings. Just type those numbers here and click OK, close it. Restart your PC. After restarting your PC, run it as administrator and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.